Welcome to 28582 Alessandria Circle inside the gated San Remo community located off Bonita Beach Road. With close proximity to the new Logan Blvd extension into Naples, this location cannot be beat. The townhouse itself features a large private courtyard, and the kitchen has been updated to feature fingerprint-free slate appliances, a brand new stove, granite countertops, as well as a granite backsplash. The main living area features ample space for a dining set, as well as direct slider access to the private courtyard. This townhouse is upgraded with tile on the diagonal downstairs, including decorative inlay accents. There is also a bedroom with a full bath located on the ground floor. The second floor includes 2 additional master bedrooms with individual ensuite bathrooms. The entire second floor features laminate wood flooring, crown molding, and plantation shutters. Ample space is what makes this townhouse unique. Rarely do you find a 3-bed, 3-bath townhouse with a 2-car garage, a large driveway, and charming double porches overlooking the community lake. Now, this townhouse was originally built by DiVosta, known for their solid poured concrete walls. It also comes with manual hurricane shutters, a central vacuum system, and wonderful community amenities. At only $319 per month, the HOA dues include a private clubhouse with tennis, a resort-style pool, a gym, playground, and more. San Remo is only a short 20-minute car ride to Bonita Beach, where you can enjoy the Florida lifestyle all year round. The major outdoor shopping mall, Coconut Point, is also only a mere 20 minutes away. Here you have endless opportunities for fine dining and wonderful shopping. For more information on this lovely townhouse, please contact Brad Graves and Rebecca Krosberg at 239-908-1310.